morning, everybody, and welcome back. It's Friday, it's time for the workshop walk round. There's the back of the face, the voice in the face, or the finger in the voice, or whatever he is. Don't want to be seen on camera as per usual. So we're doing really well with the sponsorship. Keep it coming in. I've got 3 more weeks of training, as you saw with the video yesterday. What we got over here, somebody's left the MCN out. Oh, it's because it's got my face in it. We'll leave that there for somebody to read while they're having a sit down. Okay, so Chief Sweeper's in, nice bright and early. Woo! Busting some moves. We've got Chris's here, that's all done. You saw the video for that. That has had a pair of tyres and a full service, full bag of tricks. The monster's still waiting patiently for some love and attention. We're doing a little bit as and when I can. 888 is the same over there. Julian's service and brakes, all sorted, all done and dusted. Neil's got in early today and done that. John's is still... what's John's waiting for? John is waiting for the paintwork to come back. So the calipers have been powder coated. He had the R-pick on the old exhaust pipe. They've come up a little beauty. So the wheels have also been powder coated. So Craig is taking care of the paintwork, and that should be back soon, I would imagine. The CB1300. What has that had? This has had a master cylinder seal kit. Was it the brake or the clutch? I think it was the clutch. Leaky weepy thing. So the WR is waiting for its service, and we have got there's an electrical issue with that, I believe. And let's go over here. What have we got over here? The SV's been dropped off for next week for a full service. The ER6 has had a front tyre and a retest, so that's all done, ready to rock and roll. Paul's beautiful MV Brutale. You saw me service that the other week. The fork seals are gone, so that has been dropped off and left wheels to have the fork seals done. ER6. We have got, this one is in, it's got a throttle body issue. It's like revving up super high every time it's turned on and started. So I believe there's an actuator problem, but we've got to inspect that deeply. You remember the ZX7R? Well, she's back. She is back. I believe the fuel pump has packed in. Yes, Andy got it back. He took it out. He's had a good couple of miles on it, and then it's just decided to give up the ghost. But it's all indicative of a fuel supply issue, and the pump doesn't feel to be working. But we've got to get around to getting that stripped and inspect and find out exactly as to why. Make sure it is the fuel pump. The monster is the one with the chain, so you can guess what that's waiting for. New chain and sprockets are on their way, and the gent's also booked in for, we're booking in for June now for servicing, so that is booked in for June for a full service, and a couple of little extras, I think. And out here is nothing as yet. The sun is about to, oh, look at that, the sun's going to be coming out soon, and then we can dance a merry dance outside while we're waiting for the customers to rock up at 9 o'clock. Right, thanks for watching. That's the Friday Workshop Walk Around. Say hello to Chief Sweepers, or goodbye to Chief Sweeper, goodbye to Dr. Teppy, and goodbye to Neil. He's hiding again, he's run off. He's always running off. So we'll see you later. Thanks a lot.